line. Zip line. Somewhere around here.
How do you get up there?
I think in the back they had steps. Well, like back where we parked at, they had steps to go up.